everyone, welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City. My name is Teresa Platt and I'm here to show you the Forest River REV. It's a little Class B we have on our lot, pre-owned. It's a 2015 with only 8,500 miles and some change on it, and I'm here to show you a little bit about the dynamics on the inside and outside, and hopefully you like it enough you'll give me a call and I can go through all the details with you. As you can see, got some great big rear view mirrors. The first thing that you see with the doors butterflied open like that, and you've got your lighting on the sides, makes you very visible driving down the road when you're ready to change lanes. Come on this way and I'll show you a little more. We got a great looking dash and interior, some beautiful details on the fabric in the dash here. Cab area, you've got an auto dimming rear view mirror and some nice spacious entry to the unit. Again, these mirrors come with dual mirrors, one of the extra ones on the bottom. I'll let my cameraman show you. Gives you an extra view of the rear and further out towards your blind side. Going down the side, you'll notice it's got an electric awning, and we're all ready to picnic here minus the barbecue. Got an entertainment center, the television, and plug-ins for any electrical apparatus you may need out here. You also will have your propane lead out on this side of the unit most of the time. For that, access to a propane stove. Extra storage. Nice sized cabinet in there for all your pots and pans if you need them while you're camping. Coming around the back, you'll notice you've got the rear view camera. Good visibility on your tail lights. You've got cable satellite, 30 amp plug-in, black tank flush, cleans your black tank, and your city water connection, all easily attachable if you're in a space like this. More storage, your 30 amp cord, your outside shower, easy access to your tank flush. You don't have to crawl underneath this unit to do that. Always a plus. Especially if you're by yourself and you're like me. I don't think I want to crawl under anything on a campground. And in this way, you've got your frameless windows, which is a very nice appearance. Plus, they do tend to pick up a lot less dirt and grime that way, and they always look nice and clean and beautiful. Again, great, comfortable access to the interior. A very nice seat. Almost feels like a sports car in here. Beautiful layout on the dash, an adjustable steering wheel, all kinds of bells and whistles, cruise control, really nicely laid out. There's no slides on this unit, you may have noticed, which makes it easy to get in, get out. If you're late, just grab a cup of water and go to bed if you feel like it. I'll show you more on the inside. Great little one-person, two-person rig. You'll notice the table here is set up. Easy to just sit down, have a little meal, and if you need the extra TV tray, that's not hard to carry around with all the storage that you have in this inside and out. Great lighting, these little LEDs going along the ceiling. You even have a little accent light under your kitchen cabinet for late at night so you don't run into anything. A nice sized double sink. And that's made to stay on there nice and tight. A 3-burner, usually 2 is about the size for units this size, so this is a nice addition. Microwave, just the right size. And the bathroom is really nice. You've got the bowl sink, which is such a nice feature, good looking, and a porcelain toilet. One of the upper features that you usually find in the Class A motorhomes. Coming on back here, what we've got is either a really large sleeping area, or you can take these out and create 2 twin beds. And you'll notice the spots on the back wall. Those are magnets. And what they do is they hold on to these. Haha. Once you get them out, you can use them as a seat or a headrest or a backrest if you're just sitting. And they stay right there. Then you have 2 twins and lots of cabinet space. Drawers. Such a nice small class B, mid-sized class B, but still with plenty of room. I'm going to figure out how to open this refrigerator if I don't break it first. Even the refrigerator has awesome lighting. So if you like what you see, come on in. I'll get you some more details on it, and I'd love to see you here at Guarantee RV at Junction City. Again, Teresa Platt. My number is 253-886-7253. Thank you.